If you're currently on Facebook, then you understand what a strong network it is. And this video is going to show you why Facebook advertisements benefit local businesses and exactly how to make your very first advertising campaign for only a few dollars a day. Also, make sure that you stay until the very end of the video where I'll show you exactly how to improve your Facebook ads so your business can be seen by the absolute most amount of people. Before we talk about why Facebook ads are important for local businesses, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and click the bell because it really does help out the channel and I appreciate it. Why Facebook advertisements help local businesses. Number 1, conventional advertising is extinct. Over the last 10 years or so, the media has transformed significantly. Lots of magazines and newspapers are going completely digital. We watch TV with companies like Netflix and Hulu rather than local channels or purchasing cable. And the radio has been replaced with streaming music companies. As conventional styles of media decrease, so does conventional advertising and marketing. At the same time, social networking sites have grown significantly. Investing your cash on conventional advertisements like newspaper, radio, or magazine ads simply isn't a very good use of your money. Number 2, operating Facebook advertisements places your business in front of the ideal consumers. Say you manage a pet grooming shop. Your clients will be pet enthusiasts who usually reside in your location. You may also find out that millennials and Gen X are more likely to take their pets to a grooming shop than various other generations. That's very useful data that can help you target your ideal audience. You can display your advertisements to only dog owners in your location who are in the age range of the target customer. What I just described is for finding brand new customers, but what if you want to target previous customers? If you have phone numbers or email addresses from previous customers, then you can target those people with a unique advertising campaign that motivates them to return back to your shop. Number 3, Facebook advertisements can make it easy to promote special offers. Let's take a look at those previous customers you might want to target. What could attract them to return to your store? What about a discount coupon for $5 off their very next pet grooming visit? Facebook makes it very simple to bring those people to your store with offer ads. Here's exactly how the process works. Targeting will present the special offer to potential or returning customers. The customer can bookmark the special offer to make use of it in the future. Facebook reminds them about the special offer when they're close to your small business. They can take the ad on their mobile phone or simply print it out whenever they're all set to claim it and use it. You can also find the number of individuals who bookmarked your special offer as well as the number of people who used it. You can then use that information for much better deals down the road. Offer ads are just one choice for small business owners. There's a range of campaign styles, objectives, and ways to make use of advertisements. You can begin with easy options like special offer ads and make your way up to much more complicated systems as you discover more. Number 4, you can begin operating Facebook ads for only a few dollars a day. If you really wanted, you can invest as low as $1 a day on your Facebook ads. In all honesty, that won't do a whole lot, so you might want to start out investing around $15 a day into your advertisements. When you take into consideration that you can place your advertisements in front of the appropriate people, you're really receiving a ton of value for your money. Another thing to consider is that you control what you invest. You can specify limits and readjust your spending plan by single dollar amounts. Number 5, operating Facebook ads for local businesses is a skill set you can learn. Knowing how to manage Facebook ads for brick-and-mortar local businesses is a learnable skill. Regardless of if it's your own business or if you want to be an ads manager, it is an important and achievable skill. Now let's move on to how to make Facebook advertisements for local businesses. What I'm about to discuss with you pertains to Facebook Ads Manager. Step 1. Make a very clear goal. Although your general goal is boosting sales, you're going to need to concentrate on a much more specific way of accomplishing this. Facebook refers to this as the marketing objective, and there are 3 styles on Facebook. The first one is awareness. You're creating interest around your brand. The second one is consideration. You want men and women to begin thinking of your business more frequently and getting excited about learning more. And the third one is conversion. This is pushing consumers in the direction of purchasing your services or products. For this quick guide, I'm going to choose consideration as our advertising and marketing goal. Facebook will even narrow that down with engagement, traffic, app installs, lead generation, video views, and messaging. For this step, we're going to choose engagement. This objective indicates that we want the advertisement to get individuals to like, share, and comment on it. Those likes and shares and comments will get other individuals to view it in an effective way. Because once it's shared, your advertisement ends up being a referral from someone's close friend. It becomes a recommendation, not just an advertisement a faceless company owner paid for. Engagement doesn't result in sales at the exact same rate that conversion does. However, we're keeping away from conversion at first simply because that consists of some more complicated tools like the Facebook Pixel. Step 2. Target your ideal audience. Let's go back to the scenario of the pet grooming shop. We spoke about how it's more desirable to aim at people who reside in your location and to also target those individuals who enjoy things related to pets on Facebook. That's precisely how we're going to approach targeting your ad. Let's begin with the specific location. You can enter your area, city, or zip code. You can readjust it even more by picking a radius. When you're focusing on targeting, Facebook will tell you what the possible reach is for your target audience. Try to always keep that number higher than 10,000. You also don't want that number too large, like greater than 1 million, without having detailed targeting. So let's talk about detailed targeting. A handful of choices here are gender, demographics, and interests. For our pet salon, interests would be an excellent option to select. Pets or dogs are going to be clear choices. As soon as that's completed, you're going to need to choose automatic placements to ensure that the max number of men and women can see your advertisement. It indicates that you're allowing Facebook to identify who the very best people are for your advertisement, and Facebook does a terrific job of targeting. Step 3. Make your ad. You should always remember your goal when making your advertisement, and just in case you don't remember, our objective for this example is engagement. We want to make an ad that men and women comment on, like, and share. There are 2 major elements that every single ad needs to have, regardless of what the objective is. The first element is top quality pictures. Making use of an original picture, such as one that shows your specific business, will be much more successful than stock images. Always remember that. And the second thing you want is engaging text. Whether or not you write something extensive or brief, it must be good. And to interact with your target audience, you need to ask them a question and/or get them to take some sort of action. Step 4. Facebook Ads Budget Plan. Your advertising investment will be based on what your budget is, so I won't spend a lot of time with this. However, you should understand that your ad spending is broken down by the day. So if you have the ability to shell out $500 every month, that's roughly $17 a day. Many businesses can't afford to invest that much money, and many won't want to spend that kind of money until they can see some positive results. And several other businesses will have even more money that they want to spend. The basic truth regarding your ad budget is that the more money you spend, the more your ads will get seen by more people. However, I do have a little guideline for you to follow when figuring out how much to spend on your Facebook ads. Preferably, you don't want to invest less than $15 each day. If you do anything less than that, you're just wasting your time and money, honestly. Before I move on to step 5, where I show you how to improve your ads so your business can be seen by the absolute most amount of people, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and click the bell, because it really does help out the channel and I appreciate it. Also, type the word yes down below if you are going to start using Facebook ads to promote your business. Step 5. Optimize your advertisement. Optimizing your ad implies you will figure out a way to improve it and make it much better. There are many detailed ways to do this, but I'll keep it very basic for right now. Begin by taking a look at your ad and looking for something that could be changed. Perhaps the image isn't as captivating as you wanted it to be. Perhaps the headline isn't correct. Or perhaps there's something off with the targeting. Choose a single thing about your ad you would like to make different. Just one thing. And then make that adjustment. It could be as easy as changing out a picture or adjusting the demographic targeting. After that, run that new and improved ad at the exact same time as the original ad. This is referred to as A/B testing. You will split your budget between these two ads for now and find out which one performs better after a number of days. Here's how to determine which ad is doing better. Get into Ads Manager and find which ad has the lower CPC, also known as cost per click. This gauges the amount of men and women who've clicked on your ad. The lower the CPC, the more people who've clicked on the ad. Take a look at the number of people across various demographics who have engaged with your ads. Has anything changed? Look at the amount of likes, shares, comments, and so on. You can continue testing multiple different variations until you think that you've got it just right. But don't forget, just one adjustment at a time. Once you discover what's working, keep it going. Review it from time to time and change it as needed. Be sure to watch this video on how to create an influencer marketing campaign and explode your business.